so I'm not an agnostic on that issue. And so let me go through very quickly, 2 minutes each, 5 of the areas that Mr. Baker very helpfully brought to our attention. First of all, the application process. I agree that if 2/3 of the states petition Congress to call a convention, Congress has no choice in the matter. Now, there are the side questions that have already been brought up, and there's very, very interesting materials prepared by the Very Goldwater Institute, if I have the name right, on the question, which has already been adverted to, do the petitions have to concern the same subject or separate subjects? They take a very cautious view, which may in fact be the correct view, that it really does have to be the same subject, so that if 20 states want a convention specifically for a balanced budget amendment and another 20 states want a convention specifically for a term limits amendment, then you don't have 2/3 of the state calling for a convention in an Article 5 sense. Quite frankly, I don't have much of a dog in that particular hunt because, I don't think as a matter of practical political fact 2/3 of the states are likely to agree on a call either for a specific convention around specific matters, or for the kind of convention I want, which is a no-holds-barred, everything is conceivably on the table convention. But I certainly agree it raises interesting legal and theoretical questions. Should states give these petitions? Under what circumstances would Congress be required to honor them? What I want is for Congress to call a convention. I think it is a perfectly plausible reading of Article 5 to say that Congress must call a convention should they get petitions from 2/3 of the states. But I also would say, for a variety of structural reasons, that Congress may call a convention should it believe that it is necessary and proper to help the country, even save the country. I share the sense that Mr. Meckler expressed, though, as he suggested, we probably have different substantive views, but I do share the sense that this is a time of crisis. These are the times that try men's souls. And it seems to me that if Congress were to call a convention, there is